Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about ActiveCampaign's affiliate program. But first, what is ActiveCampaign? ActiveCampaign is a software as a service SaaS platform geared towards small and mid-sized businesses. It offers a suite of marketing and sales automation tools, including email marketing, marketing automation, sales automation, and CRM. It also has one of the best affiliate programs out there. They have a growing affiliate base and they help you achieve referrals through their training and materials. They have more than 30,000 affiliate partners with $1,350 being offered per referral. ActiveCampaign provides industry-leading commissions with up to 30% recurring commission for the lifetime of your referrals. Their user-friendly dashboard helps you to keep track of your referrals. You can also access a large library of assets and guides provided by them to kickstart your affiliate journey. Getting started with ActiveCampaign is easy. You just have apply online and get started. These are some terms and conditions that you should know. They offer commissions on the basis of monthly recurring revenue. When you start, you are in the silver tier, which translates to 20% of each referred billing. Gold tier, when you get $500 in total active referred MRR, you get 25% commission of each referred billing. Platinum tier, when you get $2,000 in total active referred MRR, you get 30% of each referred billing. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.